Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra full spec sheet has been leaked today alongside with a few specifications about the Galaxy S22, which pretty much confirms not only the design but also come up with all the specification of the S22 Ultra. One of the interesting thing that is coming in that particular leak is the super clear lens. We will talk that later in the video, but first let's talk about the spec sheet that has been coming for the S22 Ultra. Basically, in terms of design, we are going to see the similar design that we have seen in already leaked render images, and this flyer has been confirming that design. We are also going to see a 6.8 inch of a display which is coming with a QHD plus resolution, a dynamic AMOLED 2x display is going to be coming, and it's going to be supported by 120 Hz of refresh rate. Its weight will be around 228 grams. The pre-built S Pen is also available, and all those four color options like phantom black, phantom white, green, and a burgundy color, which is going to be a new color option to be available for the S22 Ultra. Also, as far as the processor is concerned, it's going to be based on 4nm Exynos 2200, but we are sure that the S22 Ultra will be coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor in select market. And in terms of memory, we are going to see two different variants for the S22 Ultra. Well, this is going to be an interesting choice because since from last 3 years we are seeing a 12GB of a RAM, so this definitely means that there are going to be a tiered variant of the S22 Ultra is also coming alongside with the full flagship level device. And here we have three different storage options like 128, 256, and a 512GB of internal storage. Also, we are going to see a 5000 milliamp of a battery capacity inside, and since we are not going to see any charger in the box, so the charging capability has not been mentioned. And here let's talk about the camera sensor. Well, first of all, the design of the camera sensor has been changed from the last year S21 Ultra, and they are looking stunning. It not only gives the S22 Ultra a great look, but also the camera bump that we have seen in the S21 Ultra and the S20 Ultra has been reduced quite significantly. It's coming with 108 megapixel of a main sensor, which is supported by optical image stabilization. An interesting super clear lens is also available on that 108 megapixel camera sensor. This means that Samsung is moving forward to fully utilize the 108 megapixel sensor by introducing a super clear lens. Well, there is another interesting thing on that camera lens as well, because the leak has also mentioned that there is going to be a super clear gloss that is going to be protecting the 108 megapixel super clear lens. Also, that protection of the super clear glass will have some kind of a Gorilla Glass protection. And at the bottom of the flyer it's mentioned that the super clear lens is only applicable on the 108 megapixel sensor. Rest of the camera sensor doesn't have that feature. The other camera sensor are going to be 12 megapixel of ultra wide, and two telephoto camera sensor are going to be available, like 10 megapixel of telephoto lens with optical image stabilization, and it will have a 3x of zoom capability, and also we have 10x of zoom capability for the second telephoto cameras. Different camera sensor is going to be coming with a 40 megapixel of a sensor. Well, alongside with the S22 Ultra spec sheet, we also got few information about the S22 base model. Basically, it's going to be having a 6.1 inch of a display, a full HD plus resolution it could be, and it's coming with a dynamic AMOLED 2x of zoom capability, and we guess that it's coming with 120 Hz of refresh rate as well. The back is coming with a triple camera sensors and having a design similar to the S21 FE and the S21 series from 2021. It's coming with three different color options as seen in this leak. So guys, all in all, I am super excited about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Well, interesting choice of a thing is coming for the S22 series, because we are going to see a tiered down variant of the S22 Ultra, like 8GB RAM and 12GB of RAM for the S22 Ultra, which is kind of an interesting choice to have. It's going to be interesting to see how much of a price difference we could see in the different memory category of a device. And guys, these are my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new device? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe the channel. Peace.